open Google Chrome, type canva.com and log in into your account. And you will see your page where you can design different things, templates, and go to templates, go to education, click on lesson plan. Once you click on lesson plan, you will see n number of templates of math, English, whichever subject you are teaching, you can choose that template. And if you do not have an educator account, you can just select free as a filter and you will get all the free templates that you can use for your lesson plan. So choose any lesson plan, click on use this template. Once the template is open, you can edit all the parts of the template, the heading part, the blocks part. So let's edit the title. So you can change the title of the template, and from lesson plan 2019 I will change it to lesson plan 2021, and I will write the grade or whatever you want to, so that you can identify it. Then you write down your objective, your activities, what will be the overview of this classroom, what overall a student will be learning, or what will be your step-by-step activities. You can write that in overview box. Once you do that, you will have to add your activities, what kind of activities you are going to do. Are you going to ask some questions? Are you going to play some game? And whatever you are going to do in the classroom, list down all the activities in the below box. So once you're done, you can also add text box in your template. Right now we are just using whatever template, whatever box is given there. I will use that. Otherwise, if you want to add another text box, you can do that. You can delete the previous template boxes and you can add your own text box. So you will go on the left hand side of the panel, you will see text column there, and add text. Choose any of the sizes that you want to use and add your text there. So as I mentioned before, add your activities in the text box, what you want them to do, and then after the activities you write down about the assessment. How will you assess what they have learned? That's the important part. You have to complete the circle, right? So you have to ask some questions, you will give them some test, you can do that in that box. And then what will be the homework that they have to do? So mention that. Once you have added all the components in all the boxes, and please remember, you can change the template anytime. So you can add more boxes, you can add more sections, you can add pictures, right? So just explore the whole template thing. On the left hand side you will see all the elements, and then you can download either in JPEG or PNG or PDF. PDF will be the best version for it. So download and start using it. So if you like it, share it with your friends and teachers. Thank you.